To fix the Samsung ACCF error code, start by understanding what it means. The CF error code indicates a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units of your air conditioner. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including faulty wiring, a malfunctioning communication board, or a problem with the unit's control system. First, check the wiring and connections between the indoor and outdoor units to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Verify that all cables are properly connected to their respective ports and that there are no signs of wear or damage. Next, reset the air conditioner by turning it off at the breaker or switch, waiting for 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. This can sometimes resolve the issue by restarting the system and re-establishing communication between the units. If the error persists, check the communication board, which is usually located in the outdoor unit. Inspect the board for any signs of physical damage, such as burn marks or broken components. If you find any damage, it may be necessary to replace the board. Additionally, check the unit's control system, including the remote control and the display panel. Ensure that the remote control is working correctly and that the display panel is showing the correct information. If the display panel is not functioning properly, it may be a sign of a more serious issue with the unit's control system. In some cases, the CF error code can be caused by a software issue, which may require a firmware update. Check the Samsung website for any available updates and follow the instructions provided to update the firmware. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the problem. They can perform a more detailed analysis of the system and provide a solution to get your air conditioner working properly again. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of the CF error code on your Samsung air conditioner. Remember to always refer to your user manual or the manufacturer's website for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.